Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths the day before an exam. Start by reviewing your notes and textbooks, focusing on key concepts rather than trying to memorize everything. Identify your weak areas by going over past assignments and practice problems. Prioritize topics that carry more weight in the exam to maximize your study time effectively. This focused approach will help solidify your understanding. To review effectively, actively work through example problems from your textbooks or notes. Consider creating a concise formula sheet for quick reference during your practice sessions. Explaining concepts aloud can significantly solidify your understanding and highlight any gaps. Remember, the day before an exam is not the time to learn new material. Focus on mastering what you already know. Managing your time wisely is crucial. Allocate specific time blocks for each subject area, ensuring you cover all necessary topics. Remember to take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Most importantly, aim for at least 8 hours of sleep the night before your exam and eat a balanced meal to keep your energy levels high. On exam day, arrive early to your venue to settle in and calm your nerves. Before you begin, read all instructions carefully to avoid any misunderstandings. Start by attempting the easier questions first. This builds confidence and ensures you secure those points. If time permits at the end, always double-check your answers for any simple errors. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.